circular economy is key for Europe's competitiveness. It's key for our sustainability, it's key for our security. And that's why Ecodesign Forum is so important. And to have a close contact with the stakeholders is key to really get the results that we all want.
Ecodesign has a set of principles related to product life cycle, and these principles are regulated via the Ecodesign regulation. It is a huge piece of legislation mandating requirements ranging from environmental sustainability to energy efficiency requirement and material efficiency as well. Digital Europe is very happy to contribute to the discussion.
Well, of course, there's a lot of work to do. that up front, but as I see, we see a big opportunity in ESPR to drive the clarity and to drive the strategy and the vision of the sustainability of the tire into the future.
I think the forum will be a great opportunity to engage with a variety of stakeholders from across the value chain, which I believe is absolutely crucial actually to get ecodesign right.
It can boost the demand for sustainable products. The impact is going to be tremendous. If properly done, this legislation can really make products in the market better, with tremendous benefits for the consumers, for the environment, and for the competitiveness of the industry. It creates a business case for sustainability. It can help exchanging information via digital product passport. The whole world is looking at what Europe is doing.
The ESPR has the potential to make the products that people use at home every day longer lasting, more repairable, upgradable, and also it has the potential to create many local proximity jobs in Europe.
We welcome the ESPR. I think it's a good opportunity for the industry operating in Europe to innovate and to do better. So we will discuss all of this, but I think for the bigger parts, we're all going in the same direction.
ESPR gives us the opportunity to look at the sustainability of a tire holistically for its entire life cycle, but also some legal certainty, which then drives the innovation.
Only by designing products that are free from substances of concern at the design stage can we ensure that consumers have a toxic-free environment, that the products they have can be repaired, that they stay in the use much longer.
We really think that ESPR requirements should be in line with the waste hierarchy as well, to ensure that first they prolong the lifespan of products.
Citizens have already seen how Ecodesign delivers when it comes to your fridges, your washing machine, be that more durable, be them more silent and more energy efficient. Expanding the Ecodesign framework to sustainable product overall, there is quite a lot of things that citizens will see, so that a short-lived, wasteful, toxic product will be a thing from the past.
It will increase innovation in sustainable materials, in the way we communicate with consumers. So I really see an improvement of products that will be put on the market, and it will also create a level playing field to make sure that all competitors work under the same rules. If done right, it will make business more competitive.
Using recycled content, of course, can reduce dependencies on virgin materials. So for instance, instead of natural rubber, we can use recycled rubber. Instead of iron ore, we can use recycled steel. And that, of course, will also help the primary industry to decarbonize.
To reach the climate goals, to reach our environmental goals, we need to go more circular, both when it comes to secondary critical raw materials, but also when it comes to using the products that we design to keep them in the circle for a longer time. ESPR is really important.